We begin by locating the Stanton dolly frame. If the wheels aren't already attached to the dolly, mount the two fixed wheel assemblies to the rear tube and the steerable wheel to the front swing tube. Next, slide the swing tube into the brackets on the rear tube, insert the two bolts, and secure tightly. Now locate the tripod, invert it, and spread the legs out, leaving the center clamp slightly loose. And then face each of the feet inward. Set the tripod on the dolly, spread the legs if necessary so that the feet can be inserted into their respective holes. Loosen the clamps on each leg and adjust the feet so that they settle completely into the holes in the dolly frame. And secure all three legs with their tie downs. Raise the tripod up slightly if desired, level it, and then tighten each leg securely, as well as the center column. Slide the safety clamp up on each leg and secure it with an Allen wrench. You may want to attach the Allen wrench to the center column of your tripod so you'll have it handy for periodic retightening. Finally, attach the handle to the front wheel assembly and secure it with a bolt.